Okay, guys, I'm trying to turn on my phone. There we go. All right. Hey, all you crafty people. I hope everybody is having a grand day. Yeah. So, not so good hair day. So, it's pulled back, but this just, it has absolutely, I've pulled my hair back about 3 times now. And this just absolutely refuses to stay in there. I don't know. So we're just going to go with it. This is a little happy mail share that I got because I have one of the best subbies and Facebook group people in the world. There's a lot of them, but this is one of the truly special ones in my life. Judy. Judy, you know who you are. Thank you so much. She pretty much goes on every swap that I have, so that's wonderful. And thank you all of you who have been doing the swaps. I was going to do the swap with a gal, but there was a mix-up, and we ended up not doing the swap. So I didn't get to do this one, but I still get goodies. So that's just wonderful. Thank you so much, Judy. This is basically what she sent, but you guys have got to look. Now, I've been seeing these around on YouTube, and they're done with envelopes, and they're just adorable. But to actually see one, it's just wonderful. So, you get your flap here. Now, she has, this was a word swap. And she stayed with neutral colors. She said, I stayed with neutral paper colors and black ink so they fit wherever you want them and allow you to add color where you want color. So that was wonderful. And so then she said, I hope this meets your expectation. It's like, holy Toledo. As usual, she is out of this world. So this was a little paper bag she did, and then she collaged on top of it. And then she left the one side open, and I got a lot of other, aren't these adorable? Yeah, just very wonderful. And then you open this page up, and there's another one with a little pocket. And this is one of the envelopes. You can see the envelope lining here. And then she just did a bunch of words like this, which I love, because then I can, you know, cut them out as needed and not lose all the little pieces. So this was really a nice idea to do. And it fits right back in there very well. Then she's got a little glassine envelope with more words in there. Yeah, super nice. Super nice. She even, this one is one stamp because I own this stamp myself, I believe, or one very close to it. And then she just stamped them and then cut them out individually so that I could use them as a group or individually. Yeah. So there's that. Nice, 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 nice. Okay, and then she's got a tiny book page envelope down here. So stinking cute. And she's got more words on these little ones. And then the back of it, she just glued down the 3 sides, and then she's got more words here. Love that. Just love that. And then this one opens. This is your second envelope. And here she's got some die cut words for me, and she's got them in black, white, and craft paper. So super, super cute on those. Then look at how cute here. This is, I did this like my stamp, or she did this like where I'm doing my stamp book, which I really have not worked very hard on here recently, but I do have to get on this. I do have all of these done, but I've done some, I've got all the pages done now. I just need to get back, but I'm so focused on trying to get these signatures done because I've got my giveaway coming up. But look at how cute all these little words, and then they're stuck in here, and she cut them 3 different ways. Like here she typed hope, and then they're in 3 different styles. So, I mean, how cute is that? And then I've got it on the graph paper, again on some nice, almost parchment-like paper. And I've got big words as well as small ones. Like that would be a perfect pocket. Yeah, just a perfect pocket in a journal. And she's used stamp out of a stamp collection book, stamp paper. I think is so cute. I did come across one of these and purchased it. I might have to share the wealth a little bit because that really does make a cute page. And then this is one of those manila envelopes. And so you've got, that's the end of it. And then in here, she has more pages. These papers are fragile. You will need to cut or tear them and attach them to stable papers. So she painted some papers that were very fragile. You can see the crack in them, but she painted them with the, I don't know if it's gesso or just white paint or what, but this is German, I believe. So that's nice. This is from a German book, I think. And then some music paper. And she's painted over them. How fun is that? Oh, and here she did... She must have had a stencil. That's what it looks like. It looks like she marked around inside the stencil and then colored it. Yeah, that is exactly what that looks like, but I don't know, it looks like she did it on that one too, but I mean, how cute is that? And then this is just a band that she did out of some of that old printer paper with the little dots, dot matrix printer paper, I don't know. But how cute is that? And then they'd already been in here once looking at everything, and I said, oh, I got it. This is a vintage slide die. She said, now these are die cuts from the newest die I purchased. I have had not time to play with them, and they did not come with any type of instructions. So I'm sure you can look on Facebook and figure that out. But it looks like these fold across here. And then you have the piece that fits right in there, so you could place your photo or whatever here and glue that right down in there. And then I guess you could... I don't know what this piece is supposed to do. But I guess it could look like you could slide it. Maybe, no, I don't know. There must be a way that you can slide these through or something. I don't know, but how fun. She's going to let me know. Aren't you, Judy? You're going to let me know how these work. But so cool. And look, she made this. I mean, just super simple. Used the punch. And then she has this date due and notes on this little piece of paper here. And then made 3 pockets. She goes above and beyond the call when she does these fun things for us. So I am always so appreciative of Judy. She is a overachiever. All right, guys, I just wanted you to see my happy mail, and I wanted to show Judy just how appreciative I am. I love all of these fun things. In fact, I think some of these are going to make it into my journal. Yeah, because it's perfect timing. So let's see. I think we'll do a cherish. And I probably want one on both. So let's see. So I pulled out 2 cherish. Let's see. Oh, laughter. That's a nice one. Let's see what this one is. Treasure. Happiness. Discover. Explore. Ooh, adore. Okay, I'll do that one. And what's this one? Laughter. Already did that. Sassy. Aspire. That's a pretty one too. Okay. All right. So thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you so much. I love this. And I am going to make one of these. I just love them. I'm going to make myself one of these. And yeah, these are just like perfect. Perfect. Yeah, like I said, I've seen a lot of the YouTube things going on with this, but never made one myself. So I will certainly be doing that. Thanks, Judy. Mwah! Love you. Bye. Where are we?